Okay, so you want to make this shine effect on Adobe Premiere Pro? Well, I have the solution for you. Actually, it's very simple. The first thing you have to do is to find the lighting effect here and drag it to the icon. The next step you have to do is to go back to the options here and you have to make ambience intensity to 100 and exposure to at least 80%. So now you have to press this mask, this square mask, and you have to drag it to the left corner. You have to make it, you have to make a rectangle, a diagonal rectangle like this. And once you have done that, you have to go to the beginning of the clip, then press mask pad, and then you have to go to the position you want the effect to end. So you press the mask and you move the mask around here, and now you will be able to see the results. As you can see, the effect is very cool. You have to adjust some things because here is not surpassing the top. So I'm going to go back here, delete this one, and go to the first photogram, make a little zoom out, change the size of the square, and now I'm going to repeat the procedure. And as you can see in the replay, it works perfectly. So if this video was helpful for you, please subscribe, comment, share, like, press the bell and the subscription button, and see you in the next Easy Way video. Goodbye.